Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with shell scripting tutorial for DevOps. Okay, and in last video we have seen like how we can define and how we can use if-else statement in shell scripting. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how we can use for loop in shell scripting. Okay, so for loop is used to iterate over a sequence of values. Means if you want to print some value or if you want to do some certain kind of task multiple time and you know the range, okay, so what time, how many times you have to perform that specific task, then you have to use for loop. And if you don't know like how many times you have to like execute that specific task, then you can use while loop. Okay, so we are going to discuss about only for loop in this video. Okay, so for loop used to do a specific kind of task at multiple time. Okay, so I will show you the example and I will show you how we can write it. Okay, so let me create one file, 𝗧𝗨𝗧𝗢𝗥. Okay, so let me open this file, sudo vi script, okay, .sh. So now we have to press I to start writing our code, and we have to use hash, then hash, then exclamation mark, then bin, then /, then bash. Okay, so how we can define the for loop here? So for loop we have to write first for, okay, then we have to define any value like I, or we can define a or anything. Okay, a in, okay, then our condition will be here. So suppose we are writing our condition, okay, and then we have to write do, then we have to write our command. Okay, then we have to write our command 1, and we have to write our command 2. Okay, then we have to write done. Okay, so this way we can define our for loop in shell scripting. So first we have to write for, and we have to define any variable here, certain variable. Then we have to define in to iterate the value, whatever condition you are going to define, from that condition it will iterate. Okay, and do, it will execute the command, whatever command you are going to mention here, and in last you have to define done. So shell scripting will know like we are done with executing our script. Okay, so how we can use in real time? Let me, so suppose I want to iterate values from 1 to 5. Okay, so I am taking a variable that is a in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so I want to now do as I have shown you. Okay, then I will hit tab, then we have to write echo. Okay, and then we have to define dollar to print the variable. Okay, and what variable we have defined? We have defined a. Okay, so we have to define the variable using dollar, and we have to write done. Okay, so let's save this file. and let me change the permission of this file. Okay, chmod 700 and script.sh. Okay, so we have successfully changed our file permission. Now let me run this script. So as you can see here, it's iterating the value from 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so whatever we have defined, it's behaving the same. Okay, so our output is valid. So now we want to let me run sudo vi. Okay, and so this one is the simple, we are not using any range or something here, so let me use range here. Okay, let me use range here. So we have to use curly braces. Okay, then we have to define the range, whatever range we want. Then we have to use double dots. Okay, then we have to give whatever range we want from 1 to 10. Okay, then we have to close with the curly braces, and let's save this file again. Escape :wq/. Okay, now let me run this file again. So as you can see, it's printing the value from 1 to 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is using a specific range. Okay, so this range will support only if you have bash version above than 3.5 or 3. Okay, so how you can know the version here? Okay, so for that you have to use echo, and you have to write $, then you have to use curly braces, then you have to write bash, then underscore version, underscore version, then you have to close with curly braces. Okay, so let's save this file and execute this script, and we are able to see our bash version is 5.0.17. Okay, so this way we can know like which bash version we are using. Okay, so this is the thing here, and we can we can use the increment here as well. Okay, so for that we have, this one is the starting value, this one is the end value, and then after that we have to use double dots, and we have to give the incremental digit from which you want to increment the number. Okay, so I am giving it 2. Okay, so this one is our starting, this one is the end, and this one is the incremental value. Okay, so let's save this file. Okay, and let's see how our script is behaving. Okay, so it's printing 1, and it's incrementing the value from it's adding the value of 2 in 1, and it's becoming 3, and it's again adding the value 2 in 3, and it's becoming 5, and it's again adding the value of 2 in 5, and it's becoming 7, and it's all again adding the value of 2 in 7, and it's becoming 9, which is less than 10. Okay, that what we have defined in our script. Okay, so we can also use increment in shell scripting in for loop this way. So there is another way that we can also define here. Suppose you don't want to define like this, then you can use double parenthesis, and you can define your variable. Okay, that is a is equal to 0 or something, like we are initializing the value of a with 0. Okay, and we have to separate with this comma. Okay, and we have to like give a specific value here, that is a is less than 10. Okay, a is less than 10, and then we have to separate this value, okay, using comma, and again we have to give the increment, that is a, okay, and plus plus, okay, and we have to close with double parenthesis here, okay, and let's see how our script is behaving. So as we can see, like we are using the curly braces method there, okay, in for loop. Now let's see. So as you can see, it's printing the value from 1 to 9, okay. So 1 0 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 9, okay. So whenever it's becoming 9, that is less than 10, so it's printing whatever value we have defined in our shell scripting. So let's go back to our shell script. So we have defined here, that is a is less than 10, so that's why it's printing till 9, okay. So this is the way how we can define for loop in shell scripting using different method, and how we can know the bash version using our shell script, okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. I have pretty good collection of playlist, okay. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.